In 2016, Bihar implemented a complete liquor ban with the aim of reducing crime and improving social welfare. But now, a new problem is rapidly emerging: the misuse of codeine-based cough syrup. Recently, the DRI seized more than 7,500 bottles in Patna. Codeine is an opioid medicine used to suppress cold, but excessive consumption can lead to addiction, dizziness, drowsiness, and even respiratory failure. Reports suggest that in 2016, the sale of these syrup in Bihar was around 30,000 bottles, which increased to more than 1.7 lakh bottles by 2024. Experts believe that after prohibition, some people shifted towards alternative intoxicants, and now the real challenge is to stop illegal trafficking, strengthen pharmacy monitoring, and create awareness among the youth, because addiction doesn't destroy lives overnight. It destroys them slowly, silently, every single day. So stay aware and never let addiction take control of your life.